Hi guys, in this video we are going to see a simple automation on N8N, getting a latest news from RSS feed and daily updating to a Discord server. It's a simple process that we are going to see now. Let's go into it. Okay, first, N8N is an automation tool. It uses an LLM part in the middle of automation. It works like normal automation tools, like any other automation tools. For example, RPA and so on, other things. But what's special in it is the integration of LLM into it. So it brings a superpower to the automation. So it's as the website says, a flexible AI workforce automation. In this video, we are going to self-host the N8N and implement it. How I self-hosted in other video. The link is in the description. If someone are curious about that, you can look at it. And now we are going to see how I'm going to implement the flow of newsfeed. That is a simple. In this video, we are not going to see the LLM implementation. We are just automating a simple workflow of getting a daily RSS feed and pushing it into the Discord without implementing any AI features. Okay. Now we can close it and open the N8N. This is the workflow. This is how it shows in the working area. As you see, there is an already I have prepared the RSS feed demo, but we are going to start it new. So let's start it. On the bottom left side, there is a plus icon. You can click that and start a new workflow. Let us name it as a demo basic news automation. And the plus icon is the triggering point. It's a let us click it. You can implement it in the different stage. First, let us keep it simple. A trigger is like a button. It starts at there. Okay. Next, we are going to add the news RSS feed. For that, you can press the plus icon, and you can on the plus icon. After that, there is an action in app. You can search RSS. There is RSS or read function. The developers of N8N already have a backend implementation. We need to just implement the code. That's it. In the RSS feed is where we paste the link of a news feed. So I already took it from the Times of India. Let us go for business news. Here, this is the RSS feed URL. Let us copy and paste. And if you need to know it's working or not, you can press execute step. As you see, it shows the Oracle SAS, Azure ATA, and other stuffs. The latest, as you see, 10/9/2025. Yeah, is there every news of today as came. As you see, there is a 20 items. It has been executed. We can go back. Then we need to we got the RSS feed in the pipeline of the center, and we need to pass it to the next Discord server. For the Discord, I already as a channel Vijay server. Let me create a new channel with news update. Let us create it. Let's make it as text channel. On the server's end, we can go for the server settings and go to the integration. On integration, we are going to implement the webhook of the N8N automation. So create a webhook. Let us keep the name as it is. If you need, you can change it. Go to the news update. We need to update the RSS feed to the news channel, right? So news update. Copy the link. Copy and keep it. Then press the plus icon. Go to the Discord. In the Discord, we need update the channel. On that updated channel, we need to update the news to the Discord server. So let's go to the webhook, and we are using a custom API call. Send a message. Webhook. Here should be the API call linkage. Yeah, here is the web URL that we need to paste it and save it, then send a message. Okay, now let us remove it. So the Discord webhook account that we see here is that I already created. The two is the Discord webhook account 2 is that we created now. Then message, let us test from the hi test text. Let us test it is going to our Discord server. If it sends to our Discord server, now we would see the output as it is true. Yeah, let us go and check it. Save changes, and it has not been sent. Okay, let's execute again. Yeah, we are getting the response. The thing that we are getting a lot of text is because we are implemented in between the pipeline. There is a 20 items, so the high text message is sending to sending it 20 times. So let us first fix that, remove it. Then we need to receive the message of news instead of high text. So just drag and drop the creator, which the author or the source where it came, and the title that we need in the news section, and the link to the link of the news. And now let us test the execution. Now it would send the latest news from the Times of India business section to the Discord server. Now we need to as we see, we have implemented in a manual way. If we click the trigger, it would send to the Discord server. Let us fix that. Let us open. Okay, let us remove this and take a new trigger on schedule, and day 1 midnight. Let us keep it as it should run daily, once a day. Let us keep as it is, and execute. let us save as it is. Now let us drag and drop to the pipeline. Now it will execute on the schedule as we see. It could re-trigger every 24 times. Don't forget to save the project and keep it in active. It's the only way. Here you say there is a notification if the setup is error. We can enable it in different, let us see, India. Kolkata. Okay, let us save, and if thing goes wrong the error message will come to it. That's it. We've seen a simple workflow of N8N, and we haven't done any fancy stuff. We just automated a daily news feed, and I hope this video is useful for someone. Yeah, that's it.